To our dear brothers and sisters inside Tibet, you are in our hearts and prayers every day. Thank you.
For the down and lonely, always searching for home. Let's open our warm hearts, let's give them love and compassion. For the accused and blamed, always searching for justice. Let's raise our just hand, let's blow them the wind of fairness. Hand in hand we stand, shoulder to shoulder we march, heart to heart we reach, for peace, for justice, for freedom. Shoulder to shoulder we march, heart to heart we reach, for peace, for justice, for freedom.
52 years we've waited. This is our moment. This is our time. There's a message coming from Tibet. There's a strong message sent by our sisters and brothers suffering in Tibet. They're calling for Tibet's independence. They're calling for the return of the Dalai Lama. They're calling for freedom of religion. This is the message that we have. And I'm telling them, on behalf of all of you, in behalf of the 140,000 Tibetans in exile, we hear you, brothers. We hear you. We will do the right thing and make these leaders do the right thing.
Voiceless and silenced, always searching for truth. Let's hear their silent calls, let's whisper them the words of wisdom.
For the caged and confined, always searching for freedom. Let's wipe away the tears, let's take them